So now put your right foot on that chair, on that block, externally rotated. Yeah, okay, now forward bend and duck under there a little bit.
Skandasana.
Yeah. And look at Margot. Yeah, try to slot that shoulder under, try to put the leg behind the head any little bit. And so your blocks need to come back, Margot. You don't want to lean forward that much to the blocks. And then also you might need, yeah. So something like this. This is what we're talking about. And then, so you can do it not grabbing your foot, or also use one arm to grab that foot and try to help it. No, I would say possibly the other arm. I don't know. Yeah. Delara, you need more height. You're leaning way too far forward to get your head to that. So you don't want to, yeah, Tara's, this is good, right? Okay, so that's that. You go up in headstand, tripod headstand, take the lotus, and then just lower your legs to your arms with a drill. So go ahead, let me see that. Also, preferably do it with your head on a block.
If I can't do lotus, do I just cross my legs or?
Just cross your legs. Okay, now down to your and back up. And you're trying to get your legs to your armpits to the best of your ability. And then hold the position, Margot. Hold. Yeah, and start to lean back slightly and then forward. Back and forward. Back and forward, sucking the legs up the arms any amount. Take your leg up, one of the legs into position. Yep. All right, now bring your hands to those blocks. Yep, okay, and then step onto the block and then onto the chair. Correct. And now onto the back of the chair. Correct. And go to work. There it is.
Greetings. I want to tell you about my upcoming online course called You Can Do Third Series. Okay? So, yes, it's a challenging series with advanced asanas, and you do have to have a solid Ashtanga or Hatha yoga practice. But with that basic foundation, we're going to look into step by step how to approach a set of advanced asanas, all based on the foundation that you already have. And it's not all or nothing. So we're going to explore each little step or station in the transition to arm balances or leg behind the head poses or the back bends of third series. Okay, and so we'll give you little drills and modifications and kind of clever ways of approaching the formidable asanas of the third series. So, and you'll see by the end that you too can do at least some of the poses of third series are open to you, and you can do some really nice work in that. So hope you decide to join me, and it's going to be a good time.